Hey everybody, it's Phineas. Welcome back to the channel. Alright, today we're going to do an unboxing. Look at this big old box. See if you can see it. Look at that big box. Okay, it's from Target. It was delivered. It's not food because I'm not buying food this month. I got too much food. I'm not buying food for at least a couple months. That's one of my February goals. Not buying any food in February. Alright, so, and what's in the box is not exciting. I'll open it, but it's not exciting. The exciting part was this was free because of my rewards on my Target credit card. So a lot of credit cards offer all different kind of rewards. Some are complicated, some are not. I have one credit card. It's $500 limit. It's a Target MasterCard. I've had it since 2000, so like 25 years. I use it for everything. I use it for food, gas. If I need something from Amazon, I'll buy it. If I need something from eBay, I'll use that card. My cell phone bill hits that card every month. So I use it for everything. But I couldn't even tell you the interest rate on it because I don't carry a balance. So if I go to Walmart and I spend $45.45, I keep the receipt, put it in my pocket. When I get home, I go on my bank and pay the Target card $45.45. So I don't carry a balance, not even for an hour. But I'm just doing it just for the points. And these points add up. So last time I did this was, I think, September. I think I made a video about it. But in September, I knew winter was coming, so I got a bunch of soups and chili beans and hot sauces, all free. Before that, I did it, I want to say last March. And that was like 68, 70 bucks. Just totally free. And they give you Target points, so you got to spend at Target, which is fine. I'm not a big Target store fan. I just think it's too expensive. They're nice stores, but I think they're priced too high. And anytime I'm in a Target, it's always empty. I don't know how they make it, but it's always empty. Like Walmart is never empty. But Target, so this time I got $57 in points. So you can go on Target.com. And I don't have a Target in my town. It's in the next town over. I don't want to go there. So anything over, I think $35 is free shipping. So that not only is this $57 totally free, it's also free shipped to my front door, so I don't have to even go to Target to mess with it. And it's not one of those complicated rewards. This is just plain as day. I log onto my account and to pay my Target thing, and it'll say how many points I got, how many dollars I got. When it gets up there, 40, 50, 60 bucks, I'll go ahead and cash out. They'll send me the thing they'll email me a thing. I can go to Target and spend it. It's super easy, not complicated. I like everything simple. But let's see what I got. It's not exciting, but it's free, so that makes it exciting. so I'm gonna, you know what? I'll take you guys in a bigger room so you can see, because it's kind of a big box. It's kind of small in here. All right, I'll see you in a second. Let's open this mofo. Oh, just scared baby love. All right, so I got $57 worth of free stuff. So it's hard to hit exactly $57, so I had to pay $4.68 because I went over a little bit. So here's what I got. Free toilet paper. Free toilet paper. Free toilet paper. Free toilet paper. And then I got free Q-tips, Q-tips, Q-tips. Alright, so I got toilet paper and Q-tips. Totally free. Just from using my credit card. Nothing complicated. Just utilizing the reward points. So check your credit cards and see what rewards they offer. If they're not complicated and they're simple and they're easy, it's leaving money on the table. I mean, and delivered free. So like I said, it cost me about $4.68 for all that toilet paper and Q-tips. That's all I got for today. It's a good day. That makes me happy. I got a ton of toilet paper. But I didn't want to order, you can order anything from Target. I didn't want to order food because, like I said, I've got too much food. So I'm not going to order food for at least February, probably March too. I'm going to chill out in the food. But hey, it doesn't expire. I got room for it. It's something I'll use. And I should be done with Man, I should be done with Q-tips for a long time. All right. Let me know if you guys use rewards. Some people use it for airline miles. I don't really like to travel anymore. I'd rather just stay home. But there's all kind of reward deals out there. You just got to check what cards you have and what rewards they offer, if it's not too complicated. Because I'm not doing anything special. I'm just utilizing my credit card, and I just make sure I have to keep up with it. So when I get home, I don't want to carry a balance. And there's no yearly fee on this credit card. So I literally pay nothing to get this stuff free. Literally nothing. I do nothing special. All right. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next one. And I'll see you guys in the comment.